Hi, my name is Erica Flickinger, and I'm a member of Ctrl-Z, an FRC robotics team based in Champaign-Urbana. Today, I'm going to be talking about the basic mechanics of a car and the physics behind gravity and ramps. For the corresponding project, you're going to need a hot glue gun, various types of pasta, 1 or 2 different ramps, and beads. First, you want to take multiple longer noodles and break them so that there's an extra 1 to 2 inches on each side of your rectangular base. Here's a quick lesson on axles. Axles are generally tubes that pass through 1 or more wheels so that the wheels can still spin on them, but the axle is stationary on another object, such as a car. Next, you're going to take your hot glue gun and secure your axle to your rectangular base using the glue, making sure that the glue doesn't stick out so far that it'll touch the ground instead of your wheels. This should be close to your current model, with a rectangular base and 2 axles protruding from the sides. Now you're going to want to take a noodle that's shaped somewhat like a tube. There's a few different noodles you can use for this, but in the end you want something that's smooth and kind of looks like a wheel. You're going to take this circular noodle and place it through the axle so that it can still spin. You can put as many of these noodles as you like, and it's okay to experiment with them, as long as you have a rectangular base that has an axle attached to it and some wheels on it. Finally, I hot glued some beads to the end of mine so the wheels wouldn't fall off. I recommend you do the same. Now we're going to test our car's wheels. You can make a ramp out of any elevated surface as long as it's flat, so use cardboard, books, anything you want to make different sets of ramps. Then take your car, place it at the top, and then gently push it down. Here's a test using a taller ramp. And here's a test using a lower ramp, but the exact same length as before. Observe your car's speed. Take a moment to think about what you just observed. Did the car go faster when it started on a taller ramp, or when it started on a slower ramp? Did it move a further distance on a taller ramp, or did it move a further distance on a shorter ramp? A lot of your observations can be explained using physics. For example, when your car starts on a taller ramp, the gravity makes the car slide down the ramp, and then the acceleration is greater because the gravitational force going downwards has more of a chance to push the car down the ramp. Once you've recorded your observations, if you have the chance, look up a little more about physics, acceleration, or even friction to try and explain why these things happen to your car. And though this video is over, always feel free to research more about these interesting STEM concepts so that you can gain a greater knowledge and maybe a newfound interest. If you are interested in projects like these and would like to learn more about robotics, please visit our website or email us to learn more. You can also visit FIRST's website to learn about all different types of robotics and how you can join.